How to thread the machine. Use one of the two available spots on your thread rack. Run the thread up through the guide and down onto the machine. Going from the rear to the front, pass the thread through the lower thread guide of the little steel shaft with the pressure plate. Then you're going to run the thread up and through the pressure plates going towards the front of the machine. Then you're going to go from the top to the bottom of the first hole and back over the top to the bottom again of the second hole. You'll go through the pressure plates, behind the spring, under the hook, into the little thread holder, then through the take-up lever from right to left, onto the hook, behind the hook, make sure you thread it through that little thread guide and into the eye of the needle. That will be threaded from left to right.
Here we have the needle guard, which will prevent your finger from going into the needle while sewing. Then we have the eye guard, which in the event of the needle breaking, it prevents the needle to fly towards you.
To install a new bobbin, hold the bobbin as it is wound in a clockwise position and place it into the bobbin case. Slide the thread through the slit of the bobbin case, then under the tension spring of the bobbin case. The bobbin, while looking at the bobbin, should turn in a clockwise direction. Hold the bobbin and the bobbin case between your thumb and index finger. Make sure that the latch on the side of the bobbin case matches with the groove on the side of the rotary hook, and press it in until it fits nice and snug and snaps in. The latch, the release latch, should run horizontal to the machine. When trying to catch the bobbin with the top thread, rotate the wheel towards you, which is in a counterclockwise position, until the needle goes down while holding the lead thread. Once it comes up, you can tug on the thread and you'll see the bobbin thread underneath. Gently grab the bobbin thread and pass it underneath the presser foot and lay both the top thread and the bottom thread through the center of the presser foot and towards the back of the machine. During normal operation, the machine will sew forward. If you press this lever, the machine will sew in reverse. This will allow you to make your lock stitches. This lever is to raise and lower your presser foot. This lever is to change the stitch length. This lever is to change the pressure on your presser foot. Adding oil to the machine. On the bobbin winder, place a few drops of oil right in these little holes right where the pulley is. That's going to keep your machine running very smooth and efficiently. You want to put the oil on the shaft of the pulley approximately once a week. Press the foot pedal while the oil is being placed so that it circulates throughout the shaft. Lift the machine up and out of the way and let it rest on the pole. In your metal pan, you'll see that there's a mark for a high and low. Fill the oil with the oil provided all the way to the high mark. Be careful not to spill the oil. Your machine comes with a pump that circulates oil throughout the machine while it's operating. On top of the machine, there's a little window, kind of like a capsule. As your machine operates, the oil pump is going to spit oil up into that little window to let you know that the oil is circulating. Be mindful of this little window while in operation. If you don't see any oil coming out of it, then it's possible that you're running low. Make sure to top it off on a monthly basis to assure smooth operation. Once you're done, just lift the machine back and you're good to go.